Hello, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I wanted to review these WeLove Creation earplugs that are used for sleeping when you're sleeping. And so I bought these because the place I currently live at is kind of loud in the mornings, and so I wanted to get these so that I can sleep through the noise and wake up whenever I feel like it. So I found these on Amazon for around $32 or something like that. And what I liked about them is that they self-clean. So this is just the box it comes in, and here's the side, here's the back. So I like it that it has this self-cleaning thing where if you put it in here, I guess there's a UV light or something like that turns on when you close it. So if I close it, this blue light indicates that it's cleaning it. And it runs, I guess it goes for a while. Yeah, and so that way, in case you get any bacteria or anything on them, or anything that needs killing, then you can rest assured that it gets cleaned before you put them back in your ears the next time. So that's what I like about them. And this comes with different tips. So the one that comes installed when you buy it is the medium one, but it also has extra small, small, large, and extra large. I just used it with the medium one, as it seemed to fit my ear just fine. So I used it for, I don't know, a few weeks. I felt like a month, but it could have been just a few weeks. And at first it was good, but then after, I don't know whether it was how it was sitting my ear, but like I like to turn to my side sometimes and turn to my other side, and when I did that, these just kept going deeper and deeper into my ear. And so in the morning when I tried to remove them, sometimes it would be hard because I don't know, this material, it would create a seal with my ear. And so as I was trying to tug it out of my ear, it would be tugging on my eardrum. So I had to like really try hard to get like my pinky into my ear and try to like push this material down to try break the seal that it had with my ear. Otherwise I can like damage my eardrum trying to pull these out. And so the first time it happened, I was thinking maybe it's just a fluke or something. I don't know. But then it happened again, like maybe the next week or something, and it scared me. So I was thinking I was not going to use them anymore. And I thought I had them for a long time, so I thought I couldn't return them. But it turns out I was just checking today, and it said that I still have 7 days to return them. So that's why that's why I wanted to do this review before I return them. So yeah, it sits in your ear, and this sort of goes behind a flap in your ear to help it not rotate while it's in your ear. But yeah, I thought these were working out okay, but just really scary that this material that they use, it sort of feels like a soft plastic. It creates a seal with your ear sometimes. It didn't happen all the time. Like it only happened twice in maybe the 2 to 3 weeks that I used it. But I didn't want to risk damaging my ears in case it created a seal and I couldn't break the seal to get it out. So yeah, it was kind of scary trying to pull them out when the seal was created those 2 times. Yeah, there's instructions in here that you can access. There's the instruction book if you lift this part. Yeah, so I wanted to review this in case anyone else was interested in getting sleeping earplugs, to be warned about this brand and these ones. Yeah, I guess another minus about these is that it only reduces by 18.4 decibels, which is not that much. You can still hear things. So if you're a really light sleeper, these might not work for you. I'm a really light sleeper. They sort of work for me, they sort of don't, but I thought they worked well enough to keep them. But I went back to using my foam ones because they create a tight enough seal, but when you go to pull them out, it doesn't create any suction with your eardrum. So that's why I like the foam ones better. It seems much safer to use. So there you go. That's the review of this product. I'll leave a link in case you're interested in checking it out, but I would not recommend getting them. I would recommend looking for a different product. Okay, or sticking with the foam ones. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and hit the thumbs up, please, to help support my channel. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Though my channel does have a lot of random videos, so I don't know. It might not be your kind of channel, might be. But the support helps. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Bye.